can bring all what I learned here back to my office and deliver to my team, so that we can together improve our service for our organisation.
One thing that really struck me and I think changed the whole perspective of me about leadership is about finding your inner self or self-realization in knowing what is your purpose.
The session I most enjoyed was the one on communication and negotiation skills. It was really insightful to learn that successful collaboration requires both mutual trust and a shared purpose. So in the regulatory work that we do, building that trust with stakeholders is essential to actually achieving that common goal of a better healthcare system for us all.